as bitter gourd. I am bitter gourd. I am green color. I control blood sugar. I help fight cancer. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Hi, hello. Welcome to our Colors Day. I am S. Kadivel. I study in 5th standard. Today I presented as pumpkin. I am pumpkin. I am in orange color. I give vitamin A, B1, B6 and C. I help you to regularizing of your heartbeat. I follow your blood pressure loss. Do you like me? Thank you. Thanks for coming. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Hi, hello, welcome to our Colors Day. I am P. Kavin. I am studying 5th standard. Today I present as broad beans. I am broad beans. In Tamil name is Avarakkai. I am in green color. Kids also like me. I give calcium and copper. I grow. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Hi, hello, welcome to our Colors Day. Today I presented as snake guard. I am snake guard. I am in green color. I accelerate weight loss. I give sleep vitamins A, B and C. I also contains antibiotic. Do you like me? Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to School Colors Day. I am K. Kiran Kumar, I studying 5th standard. Today I presented as drumstick. I am drumstick. I am in green color. I contain 9 level of iron. I contain essential vitamins A, C, K, E. I help is in post-primary. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Keep healthy, stay healthy.
Hi, hello, welcome to our School Colors Day. I am M. Mahesh. I study in 5th standard. Today I presented as brinjal. I am brinjal. Tamil name is Kattirikai. I am in green color. I have good for diabetics. I give more than fiber. Brinjal make weight management. Do you like me? Thank you. Thank you for coming. Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Hi, hello, welcome to our School Colors Day. I am K. Naha Vigneshwaran. I study in 5th standard. Today I presented as Rich God. I am Rich God. I am in green color. I make fiber and water content. I significant amount of vitamin A. I regulate blood flow to all organs in the body. Do you like me? Thank you. Thanks for coming. Eat healthy, stay healthy.